Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about the continuation of the last video. We were talking that we might see a retracement in this stop right here of the of the $130 mark for Litecoin, and we were talking about how this movement to the upside it was weak because we were standing here and we didn't see much continuation. So we were talking how we might be retesting again to the downside. We can see how here we have a bounce back, then we are at the range that we are right now for the Litecoin price. So pretty much if we turn down to the Litecoin versus XRP price, we can see how we are still pretty much in the range of the top of the ribbon band. So we are testing this area, and commonly when we see this kind of test in that area, it's where a lot of the volume comes in for the market and a lot of movement for the price we have. But as we have a movement of the price in tandem, we see a smaller movement of the valuation between Litecoin and XRP in this case. So we can see how we are really just spring really tight into the last final days until we see a breakout for this chart, and that also would mean change of this chart. Also, like, we are expecting this one to go up since we have a multi-monthly um, um, consolidation of the price. So we are pretty much there. We might have fake outs, like today we are having a lot of market um, mixed sentiment that things might go down, but seriously speaking, I don't think we can have um, much time to the downside. If this tend to happen, we might see lower prices, but it wouldn't last that long, since um, we can see how a lot of new market structure it is forming in other charts that look more bullish. So we might just pass by these days to make a trade and wait for a better, more stable market. For me, it could be when this starts to go up in a more straight line way, in a bull way, that we can start to make the exit from this range and continue to the upside. And even if we see a collapse in the price, in the Litecoin price in this area, we can still make money, because that might tend to lower the XRP price more dramatically, and this will start to go up anyway. But it could mean that we can make a short um, trade in this area, and we could expect a bullish market more further in the next months. But anyway, we can see how this works for us as like an indicator for the shorter to mid-term way. So as you can see here, I marked the date as we can expect major volume movement, since we have a correlation in this round bottom formation in here. So by the end of the 28th, I guess we can have a lot of movement in the prices for the market. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.